What's the most unforgivable thing a teacher ever did? I was on the floor shaking because my throat was closing and I couldn't speak, and I heard someone yelling my name like they were underwater, but I couldn't respond to any of them, and all I kept thinking was, my EpiPen was not with me, and I realized in that second I was probably going to die at school in front of everybody. It started that morning when I had a severe peanut allergy, but I had always carried an EpiPen on me since I was 7, and it was in one of those hard cases with my name and prescription on it, and every teacher I've ever had known what it was. But that day, we had a substitute teacher, and she walked in like she was already mad about something and didn't even say hello, just a list of rules and this weird tension in the air, so I kept my head down and focused on my worksheet, and she started doing laps around the room, and that's when she saw the EpiPen clipped to my waistband. And suddenly she stopped talking and asked if it was a vape, but I told her no, and said it was my EpiPen, and I even held it up and showed her the prescription sticker, and I told her I had a medical allergy and it was prescribed. But she looked at me